Hello. Hello. So dear friends, in this post, so dear friends, in this video, we are going to see that how to write a blog post in Systeme. It takes a little time, but it looks good. Okay. So let's go to Systeme. This is Systeme, and this is the blog post, kind of business listing. So there is so much. But before proceeding with the blog post, we need the SEO package. We need the SEO package. Okay. And the prompt for SEO package is this. This is the prompt for SEO package. We need title and title here. We need description here. We need the slug here, and that is business, the category, and click on save. Images we will do later. Let's click on this now, and we have got the content in ChatGPT. Going to use that. So yeah, this. So first section, this is the heading. So first we need heading, then we need text, and we need it multiple times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 11, 11, and 12. Okay, so we need 12 sections like this. So what I will do, I will add 12 right now. Okay, like this, I will add 12 heading and text, heading and text, heading and text. Like this, we can keep adding, keep adding. You have a control where to add or not, like this. Now let's go to ChatGPT, copy this information and paste it here. Now we need to do the left alignment. Now heading is business details. What I'm going to do now, do a little bit. So sorry for this. I will delete them, all of them, because I want to give you something smart. So let me delete. This is a one-time game, but let me delete. Okay. So this is very interesting. So understand what I'm trying to show you. I know I should have done it earlier, but it's okay. I got it in my mind little late. So, so now this is one section. Can you see that? This is one section, and in this section I have left aligned, text left aligned. So I don't have to do this left alignment again and again. So what I will do, this row, not section, this row, this entire row I will duplicate. This entire row I will duplicate, 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 duplicate. So multiple times I have duplicated. See, now I will not be required to duplicate again and again. So I will go to the next section now, products and materials. I will come here, paste, and then I need this. Okay, so I need to delete this. I need this fly as bricks, then copy this content and paste it here. See how awesome it is. Red bricks into the headline, and these three bullet points, 1 minute. These three bullet points here. Next is interlocking bricks. Okay, now 3 points. Copy and paste. Next is colored interlocking paver blocks. So paste. Copy and here paste. Next is cement poles. How many points? 2 points. Are you getting bored? Don't be, because you are going to learn something. Okay. So like this. Can you see? Now this heading. Why choose Archana Enterprises? Like this. Next, supply coverage. Heading. And copy. Next heading, Google Business Profile. So copy this, copy, 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 and here paste. Next is, next is, next is, next is, next is call to action. So we can say contact, contact us. Copy and paste. Closing note. So closing note, this is done, then that's it, done. So now let's delete everything. How many sections are there? So many. Let's delete all of them. Okay. So this is how we write a good looking blog post in Systeme. Let me show you how it looks. So this is Archana Enterprise, strong bricks, poles, and pavers. And see heading and product materials like this. You can see it is looking good. Now we will add images. So how we will add images? Let me show you. We will add images here, like this here. So fly as bricks, we need image. Obviously, we need image for fly as bricks. We need image for fly ash bricks. Then we need image for red bricks. Then we need image for interlocking bricks. Then we need image for interlocking, colored interlocking paver blocks. Then we need image for cement poles. Then we need image for stone pillars. Right. Then a Google map we can embed. That is HTML. We can embed here. Then contact us, closing note. That's it. Here we can add one image, the final one here. Okay. And one image in the starting, this Archana Enterprises, this image. Okay. So that's it. I will add the images by uploading from here. I just wanted to show you that it takes little time, but you can have heading, then text, heading and text. Then in between you can have images. And if you want to learn more about Systeme and digital marketing and everything, you can join me as your coach. You can join Career Building School. That is all. Thank you very much.